Understanding, avoid the area. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, avoid the area. This is a common phrase used in various situations, and understanding it can really help in everyday English comprehension. So, let's dive in. Avoid the area is a phrase used to warn or advise someone to stay away from a specific location. It implies that there might be danger, inconvenience, or another reason that makes the area unsuitable for visiting at the moment. For example, if there's construction work or a public event, local authorities might advise people to avoid the area to prevent traffic jams or ensure safety. 1. Emergency situations. In cases of natural disasters, accidents, or any emergency, this phrase is often used. For example, due to the flood, residents are advised to avoid the area. 2. Traffic and road conditions. Traffic reports frequently use this phrase. For instance, there's a major accident on Highway 5. Drivers should avoid the area. 3. Public events. During concerts, parades, or sports events, this phrase might be used to manage crowds. E.g., to avoid congestion during the parade, visitors are advised to avoid the downtown area. Let's look at some sentence examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday English. 1. The police are handling a situation near the mall, so it's best to avoid the area for now. 2. Due to roadworks on Elm Street, commuters are recommended to avoid the area during rush hour. 3. There's a large protest happening in the city center this afternoon. Locals should avoid the area if possible. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few related to avoid the area. Steer clear of the area. Keep away from the area. Stay out of the area. That's all for today. Remember, avoid the area is a versatile phrase useful in various contexts, especially regarding safety and convenience. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills with us.